Hello, good day. How are you today? You're good, right? Okay. Are you ready for today's lesson? You are? That is good. Today, in agricultural science, we are going to be learning about employment opportunities in agriculture. Okay? Our topic for today in agricultural science is on employment opportunities in agriculture. Are we ready for the lesson? Good. Employment opportunities in agriculture refers to the various job possibilities and careers within the field of agriculture. It includes the different ways people can work and earn a living in the agricultural sector. Do we understand that? Employment opportunities in agriculture means the different ways in which people can find jobs and work in the field of farming and related activities. These opportunities include working on farm, selling farm products, processing food, or getting jobs in the government or companies that deal with agriculture. Okay? It's all about the various ways people can make a living by being involved in farming and agricultural work. Self-employment in farming. You can become a farmer and manage your own agricultural operations, cultivating crops or raising livestock. Self-employment in farming means that you work for yourself in the field of agriculture. Instead of working for someone else, like a boss or a company, you run your own farm. You make decisions about what crops to plant, how to take care of your animals, and manage the entire farming operation on your own. So you are the boss and you take full responsibility of your farming business. Okay, so self-employment in farming means you can be a farmer and grow crops or raise animals on your own land. Do we understand that? Good. Buying and selling farm produce. Engage in trading agricultural products such as fruits, vegetables, grains, or livestock as a distributor or through local markets. Buying and selling farm produce means the process of purchasing agricultural products and then reselling them to others. It's like being a middle person in the agricultural supply chain. People who engage in buying and selling farm produce may purchase these items from farmers and then sell them to markets, grocery stores, or consumers, making a profit from the transaction. Processing of farm produce. Work in food processing industries where you can process raw agricultural products into valued added items like canned goods, dairy products, or packaged foods. Processing of farm produce involve transforming raw agricultural materials such as crops and livestock into processed and value-added products. You work on tasks like turning harvested crops into packaged goods, processing fruits into juice. Okay, so you work in factories where they turn crops into things like canned goods. Okay, so these are the different employment opportunity in agriculture. You can be self-employed or be a distributor of farm produce or work in food processing industries. Okay? Paid employment in government ministries or establishments. Government positions in agriculture departments, research organizations, or extension services offer opportunities to work in policy development, research, and agricultural support services. Paid employment in government ministries or establishments can encompass positions like agricultural officers, research scientists, agricultural extension officers, policy makers, and administrative roles. These jobs often involve working on initiatives to improve farming practice, enhance food security, and promote sustainable agriculture within a country or region. They are typically paid positions with a steady income and may offer job security and opportunities for career advancement. Agro-based industries, jobs in industries related to agriculture like agrochemicals, equipment manufacturing, or biotechnology are available for agricultural science graduates. Get a job in companies that make things for farmers like tractors, pesticides, or seeds. Banks. Agricultural finance is essential for farmers. You can work in banks or financial institutions specializing in agricultural loans and investments. Work in a bank helping farmers with loans and financial needs. Educational industries. You can pursue teaching or research positions in educational institutions, sharing your knowledge and expertise in agricultural science. Teach or research about farming and agriculture in schools or universities. Okay, so today's lesson on employment opportunities in agriculture. We understood it, right? We said employment opportunities in agriculture refers to the different career options within the field of farming and related sectors, right? This includes self-employment in farming, buying and selling agricultural products, processing crops, paid positions in government agricultural departments, roles in agro-based industries, working in banks for agricultural finance, and employment in educational institutions, right? These opportunities provide a range of jobs for individuals interested in agriculture, from hands-on farming to roles in policy making, research, and education. Right? So we are done with employment opportunities in agriculture. Okay, so now we are going to be looking at our assignments. It's easy, right? Good.